Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is how to get removed from a cruise. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about. All right.
Hell yeah, get the f out. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Am I getting my dick sucked at all or no? You never know, really.
On September 23rd, 2024, officers with the Key West Police Department responded to a call in reference to a drunken, disorderly passenger on a cruise ship. Upon arrival, officers made contact with a 40-year-old suspect named Eric.
We're here to escort you off the ship.
Really?
Yeah.
Why? Because I'm too sexy or what?
Well, that and you're drunk and disorderly. Your wife is on the way. Probably turn you over to her if there's no trouble. Does that sound good?
I don't know. My wife's next door.
No, she's on the way. She's out in Key West. Do you have an ID? Does he have an ID?
I do, but like, if I try to show you, you're gonna see my penis. Is that okay? Or is that against law? And I have these things on. Can you please take these off?
Oh, sorry, sir.
Where's your ID?
I can't reach nothing because I have these
No, you
things
can
on.
tell us where your ID
Is
is.
it in your shorts? It's not on you because you're naked.
I know, right? Everybody.
Call on 23023.
Can you guys take these off too?
Not on my end.
Oh, we gotta put shorts on.
How did I get treated like a fucking animal?
Eric,
Yes.
is that how you spell it on your ID?
Yes. Eric,
What's your birthday?
7. Well, my son is on here too. Does he need to come with me too?
We'll figure it out. What state is your ID out of?
Colorado.
Colorado.
What put him in those?
What?
What was he doing where he ended up?
So he was outside as per the sun, and he took a cart or something and he fell off the cart. So because of him being drinking, so he has these bruises and all these things.
Okay.
So he ended up coming on board. We were called, Soulside Security called us. We escorted him back to his cabin.
Okay.
While in the cabin, he stripped naked. He started becoming abusive. So the security called us.
Towards security that was at the
Yes,
room?
and his son was here with a 16-year-old.
Where's
So
the 16-year-old now?
he's down on the desk right now.
Okay.
So we were concerned about his son, so we took him out. But
That's
he
fair.
was because he was in the bathroom, and we can hear him falling multiple times. So we have to open the bathroom and get him out. So we put him towels, took him out from the bathroom.
You get that intoxicated and you have your son with you? That doesn't even, like, come on, man. Of course, you want to cruise, have a good time, you know, enjoy yourself. You're a parent, you know, let loose a little bit, but come on, you can't get that wasted and you have a kid with you. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just irresponsible.
Make him sit because he was totally naked and being, saying things, what he's saying right now.
Thank you.
So we tried to convince him to calm down, but he was very progressive. And then we have to decide either to let him stay inside with the kid or let the kid outside.
Okay.
So we told the son to come outside and try to calm him down, sit, but he keep charging on. So we want him to be safe,
Yeah.
and us to be safe. So we have to handcuff him.
He also became very perverted in front of the son because that happened before they took the son out. Like, what type of example are you setting for your kid? What? That's insane.
Are we just waiting on his wife to get back to the boat?
We're trying to contact somebody who can take care of him, but right now wife is on the ship, so we contacted.
No, yeah. They told us that. So basically that's what we're waiting on because we have to have someone that can care for the 16-year-old.
Okay, yeah, but my question is, you guys are going to take him away, correct?
Yeah, he'll go off the boat.
Okay, very good.
You want him off the boat, he goes off the boat.
Yeah, okay.
Grab my arm, bitch.
We go this way.
Rough me up, bitch.
Lead him out, please.
All y'all some fucking bitches. Can I check and see if I have my fucking wallet? Hey, can you let me check if
Don't worry about it now, Eric.
Yeah, don't worry about it now.
Yes.
You wanna suck my dick?
Not really.
Does anybody?
Easy.
My fucking my left knee is fucking bomb. It's
Why? What happened to your left knee?
fucking smashed it hardcore.
When you were fighting security?
No, not when I was fighting shit. When I was carrying material, bro. I'm a trim carpenter.
So, did you get surgery on your knee?
No, but I need to get surgery on my knee. What's up? Suck it!
We're gonna just relax. That's kind of why
You're my guy.
Yeah, we'll just take good care of you, alright? But you gotta just keep calm.
Can I look? Can I turn around and look at you,
You
please?
just had too many drinks. That's all.
Hey, just will you quit making me not turn around to him?
Keep you some so you don't fall.
Yeah, you can.
Can I look at you?
Sure. We're gonna be in an elevator together.
Can I please turn around and look at you?
What are you guys gonna have? Just leave it open for a minute.
Guys, please.
Hell yeah! Get the fuck out!
Guys, hey, relax.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sorry, guys.
Alright. Can I turn around?
Yeah, you can turn around.
You can hold me, but you don't gotta fucking hold me like I'm dying. Fuck, bro.
Okay.
Where's my dude?
Oh, in the corner.
You're my dude. Can I sit next to you?
Yeah, we just gotta get off the ship first. And we'll sit together.
Oh damn, I'm fucking done. Because you were fucking kind, bro. You treated me like I was a fucking human, like you have no idea what the fuck that means.
You just got here.
Huh?
I've been treating you like
I'd put hands on you.
I've been treating you nicely
He-
too.
Yeah, but he's been treating me like I'm a fucking human.
I just got here.
You've been treating me like I'm some fucking dumbass bitch.
Nah, not really. You're exaggerating.
You can say what you say. I got my opinion.
You're entitled to your opinion.
Yeah, of course I am. That dude right there, I would, if he was like, bro, you got a weed charge, I'll be like, all right. There we go.
You don't have a weed charge.
All right, I guess we got a weed charge.
This way.
Can you take these off?
Right there, off the ship. We can't do it right now.
Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Are you mad at me? You're holding me fucking hard.
What's this detail? Can you get a car out here?
It's house vehicle right there.
Can you take these off? Can somebody take these off?
Yeah.
Can I get back on the boat or no?
I don't think so, Eric.
That's cool. Can I get my son Logan back on the boat?
Wow. I was just about to say that. Like, he has not mentioned his son one time. Like, where's his son? What's going to happen to my son? Nothing. He hasn't said that not one time. He says something about it. But man, you're already like off the boat. You're so far detached from your son that now you're worried about it. But hey, anyway, what I was thinking about was, for those of you guys that go on cruises, I've never been on a cruise. I'm more of a resort kind of guy, take the plane, go to the resort, but for you guys that are people that go on cruises, what happens if you got a guy like this, but you're already sailing? Like, you're not docked or anything. Like, what happens to that person? Like, do they get locked in their room? Do they have some sort of, like, I don't know, cruise jail or something? Is there like, are there police on the cruise, or are there only like security guards? Like people that have some information on cruises like that, let me know in the comment section, because I'm very curious.
Well, your son Logan is not in trouble.
I know.
So he can
But
stay in
guess
the
what?
boat, right?
His stepmom is gonna treat him like fucking dog shit.
Like how specifically?
Huh?
How specifically dog shit?
I'm sorry, I didn't understand.
Okay. How is she gonna treat him? Badly?
Yes. Can you please grab him too, before we can rent a car and drive back up?
So he can stay here in Key West with you?
Oh, we're not staying in Key West. We're going to Colorado.
I don't think you're in condition to drive the car right now. You need to sober up first.
Bad.
That's what I'm saying.
Can you please take these off?
We'll be good to you.
Am I getting my dick sucked at all or no?
You never know, really.
Oh shit! Are you down?
Not with me, but I'm just saying.
So
We're gonna switch handcuffs
Christinka.
because we gotta get these back to the ship, okay?
Got it.
But we're cool, right?
These weren't for the shit.
We're not gonna fight. We're not gonna fight each other. Just make sure that
Oh, we
all
might
aren't facing
fight.
each other. Nah.
I want some details.
You want some what?
I want to fucking get my dick sucked on. What the fuck? Am I getting real arrested like separately? Hey,
Would you
what's
be
up?
arrested together with someone?
Uh-huh.
Would you rather be arrested together with someone?
Well, I don't know. My son was supposed to be with me.
Where are you from?
Yes. Where am I from?
Yeah.
I'm from Colorado.
Colorado?
Yes.
So you flew to where? Miami, Fort Lauderdale? Got on the ship?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Did you fly to like Miami or Fort Lauderdale? Did you get on the
No,
ship?
we drove.
You drove?
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I left my car down there.
All right.
Hey, what did I get arrested for?
Are you arrested? I think you're just detained.
What am I detained for?
We just work with the ship. Did we check the ship? Have you ever been in trouble before?
Yes, I have like 6 felonies.
What kind of felony?
Distribution.
That's your thing? That's your jam?
Well, it was until I started becoming a fucking trim carpenter.
Okay.
Okay, because I missed everything. As of right now, he's just detained. He's not
Yeah,
being
he's detained
arrested.
because he's being kicked off the
Right,
ship. That's
yeah,
it.
but-
He got aggressive with them in there, but that's why they detained him. He never hit anybody. He's drunk and threatening. Like whiskey courage guy. But I get kicking him off the ship, totally down with that. But kicking him off the ship with no ID, no credit card, no wallet, no way to actually leave here
Right.
is gonna end up sucking for us.
Yeah.
Because then he is stuck here
Right.
because he has nothing.
And we gotta deal with him.
And then we gotta deal with him because he's kicked off the boat with nothing. And then he can't even get money wired to him because he's got no ID and nothing. He just starts walking.
And now he's a 77. Your first cruise?
Yes.
No way.
And it was supposed to be the best fucking thing ever. But my wife left me 2 months before this piece of shit fucking cruise.
So if she left you 2 months before, how come you end up being on the same cruise?
I couldn't pay her to fucking get out of it.
Ah, okay. So the cruise was paid for earlier.
Yeah.
Okay.
I paid for it like 3 years ago. I can't even wipe my mouth. Can you guys please remove my handcuffs? I'm not a bad guy. Am I going to jail?
Get inside the car, please.
Can I have my...
I'm not a bad guy, but you got 6 felonies. So maybe the seventh time you get in trouble, now all of a sudden you're not a bad guy.
Stuff, please?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your stuff is coming with you.
Will I get in trouble if I pee in the car?
Yes. Big trouble. And that's
Okay.
nice.
Well, no, I need a bathroom then.
We're on the way.
Yeah, wait,
no,
wait. It's a
you
short-
have,
very
no.
short train.
I've been walking with you guys for a long time. I have to pee.
You have to drive to
Like-
the bathroom. You see a bathroom? You have to drive to the
Can you put your feet inside?
Dude, I'm gonna pee my fucking pants.
We use some friendly hands on hands.
We just have policies we gotta follow, that's all.
No, it's just...
It's nothing personal.
No, could we for real
Do you
just
remember
like...
me from the ship?
Huh?
You remember me from the ship?
Yes.
You were cool, you're a carpenter.
You were
shot
cool.
everything.
But like, look at what the fuck you're doing to me. I'm paying for my whole wife and my kids' shit, and more than them, I'm paying for their fucking cousins and their cousins' shit. Oh man, I'm in here with the animals, huh? Hey, do I get a charge for fucking fighting with people?
Yes.
Oh, I'm fighting with people.
I wouldn't fight with you.
I'm an animal. I fucking hate mine. I would have killed myself off the back of the boat. But those people stopped. What's this? Where am I going?
We gotta get
bigger
your
jail?
nose looked at. Nope. Gotta get your nose looked at.
Why?
To look at your nose.
Watch your
I don't
face.
want to take you.
In the end, Eric was charged with disorderly conduct. If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to Arrest.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.